Hey guys, lots and lots of exciting things happening here. We're gonna go outside and check on some of them. Wow. Here are the zucchini plants. I did not give them any water yesterday. I wanted to just let them do their thing. And I am having such a hard time figuring out if those leaves, if those little growing buds in there are leaves or if they are the fruit or the vegetable. Because this one also has it. I think it's just the little leaves. But we've got some exciting growth. Nothing yet visibly on the surface of the squash, but we'll see. And nothing quite yet visibly on the corn or the carrots. So I'm just gonna give those a little bit of a watering. I'm gonna water these as well. We've got lots and lots of growth happening. Lots of green beans sprouting. Green beans sprouting over here. Green beans doing good over here. We're doing good all around. These strawberry plants getting new flowers. Strawberries. So exciting. This one just looks beautiful. I'm so excited. Look at that one. So I'm gonna give these guys some water. Carrots on the side here. I don't know if that's going to work. But I've seen videos on time lapses of fruits and vegetables in like a glass container or plastic container, and they plant the seed in it, and then you can see the seed growing and the plant growing. So that's what I'm trying to achieve with that. We'll see if that works out. So we're just gonna let things be. And I have a feeling I'm gonna have lots of green beans, and I'm not mad about that. I have a feeling I'm gonna have a good amount of zucchinis, and I'm not mad about that either. And I'm hoping to have a good amount of strawberries, and I'm not gonna be mad at that either. In fact, I'm going to be incredibly grateful. Also, there was a little white butterfly that was hanging around there. Which, speaking of, I actually need to go out here because my husband put the extra extra pots out here, and I'm going to plant some pollinator seeds in here for just regular flowers, and plant those because I want my garden to be welcoming to the pollinators. This is how small the chamomile seeds are. Tiny. I'm just gonna put those in there. And then just a little bit of soil and then a little bit of water. I planted those seeds and I'm just gonna let them do their thing, and hopefully soon we will have beautiful flowers and chamomile flowers. So I will talk to you guys probably in a few days. So I'm gonna chill and I'm gonna probably edit some videos and all that fun stuff. But thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.